My favorite part about my job is just making a difference in residents' lives and helping their families throughout their difficult journey in any way that I can. It's the small change that can make a huge difference in someone's life.
The therapy people have just been outstanding. And beyond them, the caregivers, the nurses, could not be kinder. Very, very nice people. The food is pretty good too.
As an aging adult or as a family member or a young person, there can be stigma and fear related to nursing homes, and this place doesn't have that. There's just liveliness. It doesn't feel like any other place that I've ever walked into that was a nursing home.
I love it when they bring the dogs in their dog therapy program here, so that we get to hold them and touch them. I always fall in love with at least one of them.
Here at Flint Ridge, we offer short-term care for those who just need some therapy to get stronger, to go back home. We have long-term care. We have palliative care, which is for people who are not quite ready for hospice but need their symptoms better maintained. And then we also have hospice. Our therapy here at Flint Ridge is so great. We have a lot of successful stories, so much so that we even have residents that once they reach their goals and they discharge home, they know that if they ever need us again, they always come back to us.
We have great nurses that are compassionate about our residents, treat them as if they are their family, build relationships with them so that the resident feels comfortable coming to them and trusting them to take care of them and making sure that their needs are met.
The most impressive features here at Flint Ridge, the genuine people that truly work here, they're here for all the right reasons. Our housekeeping staff is wonderful. It's one of the cleanest buildings that you will ever step foot in. Our therapy department is very down to earth, very caring. They want to set out goals for our residents that they know that they can achieve and accomplish so that they can get home.
My favorite thing about Flint Ridge is the care. The care, the concern, the genuineness of what they do here. It's very comforting.
Everyone walks in and they're welcome. From the residents to the staff, the therapists, the housekeepers, and activities, you are welcomed with open arms.